Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Citrine by Tripointe Homes near Skye Canyon. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the Plan 2, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on this channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Citrine by Tripointe Homes near Skye Canyon. It's technically not in Skye Canyon, but it's really close. Guys, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here all the way in the northwest side of Las Vegas, you guys. We're about 21 miles away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. It's about a 35 to a 40-minute drive to get there, okay? This community offers 4 different floor plans. The floor plans range from 1,781 square feet all the way up to 3,539 square feet. Now that plan 1 that you're seeing, that's gonna be the only single-story floor plan in the community. But yeah, the base prices are gonna range from $499,000 all the way up to $630,000. Once you see base price, just know if you want an accurate total, you have to add in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades, okay? So lot premiums here for the standard lots, they're going for, they're actually not charging anything for standard lots right now. It's gonna be $0, but depending on the lot size, it could go up to about $10,000, okay? Now, as far as the upgrades go in this community, so what I was told actually is they're putting about $75,000 to $100,000 worth of upgrades. Now, the way the community is working out now is it just opened a few weeks ago. They're doing, right now, they have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 construction. Quick move-in home, spec home is going to be done December. Phase 2 is going to be done in January. And then phase 3 is going to be completed in March, okay? So if you want to do any customizations, most likely you'd have to go with a phase 3 because then you'd still have like the option to choose some of the interior upgrades and whatnot. The ones that are completed in December and January, they're picking out all those options, okay? Another thing you guys should know about the community, $69 a month is the HOA, okay? And that's it, guys. No SIDS, no lids. And what the $69 a month includes, it includes the, you're gonna have a community pool here, you're gonna have a park, it's gonna be gated, and you're also gonna have a dog park, okay? So that's a lot for $69 actually. The average lot square feet here is gonna be about 52 by 85, so not the largest lots, you guys, but you're gonna have pretty decent sized backyards. And as far as the community here, the Citrine community is going to be 82 homes. There's also going to be a townhouse community by Tripointe here that's going to be about 125 townhomes. And then later on, they're going to add to this single family community another 55 homes, okay? So let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Plan 2. So the Plan 2 is 2,577 square feet. 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage, and the base price is $565,000. Okay. Now, guys, again, if you are building from lot up, so there you have a choice between 3 different elevations you could choose from. So elevations just means how the exterior looks. I'll show you those 3 different elevations on the screen. Also, guys, paver driveways included, desert landscaping here. Okay. So as we walk to the entry door, now this is included, this little courtyard area. Okay, so nice little courtyard. All right, so as you can see right here, you have the gate to the backyard. Now you're gonna have this nice 8-foot door. All right, guys, now check out this entryway. So as soon as you walk in, right, this is what you see. So you see the nice tall ceilings, you have the stairs, the second floor. You also got the living room, dining room, kitchen. the upgraded slider. Okay. So as soon as you walk in, guys, yeah, you are seeing a lot here, which is nice. I like that. Here, we'll start back here. Now this is the flex room, but this could be an optional, a structural upgrade you could do is make this a bedroom. Okay. So this could be the 4th bedroom. Now, if that was a full bedroom, this would be a full bath. But because that is just a flex space, this is just a half bath. Okay. You got the under-mount sink, the matte black faucet. Okay. So welcome to the flex space. So the flex space, you can, you know, if you didn't want to turn this to a bedroom, you can make this like just an office, you know, if you're working from remote, or you could just make this like some kind of like man cave. Now we do have 9-foot ceilings. All right. Also so one of the biggest upgrades is going to be the flooring. Now, guys, what's standard in flooring is you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You're gonna have a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. So the wet areas is gonna be the kitchen, bathroom, entryway, all right, and the laundry room. Now, most buyers prefer not to have any carpet in the first floor other than the like any bedrooms. So they'll upgrade, you know, all the flooring all throughout. Okay, all throughout the first floor. So that could be a pretty pricey upgrade, guys. Definitely factor that into your budget. Also, another upgrade I do recommend, if you have an option to change like a flex space or a den on the bottom floor to a bedroom, I definitely would change it to a bedroom. As realtors, we look at stuff from like more of like a resale point of view. So everyone is always looking for, you know, bedrooms downstairs if it's a 2-story home. Okay, so you have a nice little living room. Guys, you're gonna get the pre-wired to the ceiling fan in the great room, as well as all the bedrooms. Okay. You do have an option for electric fireplace. Also right here, now this is a structural upgrade, the center sliding door. Another upgrade I recommend, otherwise you'd have like a small slider. Okay. Cool, guys. So as far as the backyard sizes go, the average backyard sizes are gonna be about 52 by 85. Okay, so it's not gonna be the largest lots, guys. If you're looking to get into a new build, something with a really large lot, this community will not provide that. They might have some oversized lots, but for the most part, that's gonna be the dimensions. Okay, this covered patio that you're looking at, the stucco covered patio, is upgraded. Okay. All right. So welcome to the kitchen. So this is a long kitchen island. So guys, look at that. Plenty of cabinets. You have this nice long kitchen island. Okay. So you have your dining room right here. Now these cabinets are going to be the optional 42-inch cabinets. Also standard, guys, as far as the kitchen appliances, you're going to get the GE appliance package, which is going to be the GE dishwasher, the cooktop oven, as well as the microwave. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer will not be included. So you could buy that with a builder, or you can buy that at this, at Best Buy retail store. Cool. All right, so we got the nice dual basin, matte black sink. Okay, some nice quartz right here, optional quartz. Quartz is a standard countertop, but it would be a different tier of quartz. It's right here, actually. This is gonna be your garage. So in your garage, guys, you're gonna have the tankless water heater. You'll have the water softener loop. Okay. I want to say this garage is actually, no, yeah, it's a 9-foot garage. Okay. So we have the optional desk they could add on to if you want that. By the kitchen, or also another option would be if you wanted to have cabinets right here, you could have cabinets. Okay, so this is the pantry. Plenty of space in this pantry. Now guys, if you are interested in this community, or if you're interested in any new build community, if you have any questions as well, let me know. Give me a call, guys. My info is going to be in the description below, or at least let your realtor know if you're working with one. Whatever you do, you don't want to go to a new build community for the very first time by yourself, or even call and give them your information, because once they have your information and a realtor was not with you, they won't let you be represented later down the road. And you definitely want representation, because we look after your best interests. Builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders, but we do for you guys. So, you know, we make sure you guys get all the max builder incentives. We walk you through the process, and the builders pay the agent the realtor fee. So it's definitely a win-win. Okay. So yeah, we'll head upstairs. Check it out. So you have this nice loft. So this is what you see right when you walk in. You have your loft right here, your stairs. Okay. I believe your primary bedroom is going to be right over there, and you're going to have your guest beds right over here. There we also have 9-foot ceilings upstairs. I love this. All the windows. Yeah, you're going to get a lot of natural light. Okay, also we do have the upgraded stair rails. Normally the stair rails it's gonna just be a pony wall. So here, we'll check out these guest bedrooms first. So we got guest bedroom, full bath, and the other guest bedroom. So this bedroom it's about 11 by 12. Okay. You also do have a walk-in closet right here, which is nice. Okay. Large windows. Now it's also going to come with a pre-wire to the ceiling fan. If you want to add on any extra lights, that would be additional. Okay, so these doors are going to be 6x7 doors. You will get the flat corner edging. Okay. All right, so welcome to the shared bathroom right here. So you're gonna have the dual sinks. Okay, undermount. Looks like what they want with the black finishes here. You upgraded matte black finishes. Shower tub combo. Okay. Yeah, so you can upgrade it if you want the sliding glass door. I believe you can have that option as well. So this is the other guest bedroom, guys. Feels like this bedroom is actually larger. Yeah, this is probably 12 by 13. Okay. So yeah, this one doesn't have a walk-in closet, it just has a standard closet, but overall this room is, I feel like, a little bit larger. Or maybe because it just seems spacious because there's no bed. I'm not too sure. All right, welcome to the laundry room. Washer dryer is not included. But there are some upgrades you can do. You can buy the washer and dryer with a builder, I believe, or you can buy it at the store. You also have an option to have some cabinets over here. Okay, we got the smart panel box. Okay, you're gonna have your outlets right there. Your entry to the attic access is gonna be up there as well. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Nice large window, I like that. Covers most of the wall. So you got these 2 windows here as well. So you have a thermostat right there that controls the bedroom. Yeah, take a look how beautiful this area is. So we're all the way up here in Skye Canyon. Okay, we're like pretty far up in the northwest. Very quiet out here. Still building a lot. Okay, so you're gonna have your linen closet, and then we have your full bath. So dual sinks. We got the upgraded shower spa combo right there. That's beautiful right there, for sure. Cool, so you have your toilet room. And then your walk-in closet. Okay, this is some good space right here. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this floor plan in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, especially about the new build incentives, give me a call, guys. My info is gonna be in the description below. Also, there's a couple of links in there, description below as well, to help you start your home buying process. One is for new build homes, the other is for resale homes. But yeah, until then, I will catch you guys next video.